Good morning to all of you. Now, today we are going to talk about the MCQs based on the angiosperm. So, let's start because we will not take too much time and I don't want to waste your time also. So, let's start. Firstly, we will do fast. Let's look at how many questions given that we will see here. First is the question number first, you can see. Okay, so we will take the pen after that. Okay, question number first is given characteristics, that is characteristics of angiosperm which distinguishes them from gymnosperm. Option number one, presence of root and flower. Second is the double fertilization triploid endosperm. Third is the companion cells in phloem vessels, and fourth is the all of the above. So your answer will be the all of the above. Clear? So your answer is the all of the above. Question number second, you can see that endosperm of angiosperm is a structure, haploid structure, tetraploid structure. Option number two, diploid structure. Option number three, triploid. Sorry, option number four, triploid structure. So your answer will be here option number four, that you can see option number 4 is the triploid structure. Next question number 3, angiosperm that spreads over largest area. Option number 1, ficus bengalensis. Option number 2, ficus religiosa. Option number 3, ficus elastica, and option number 4, sequoia gigantea. So your answer would be, you can see your answer would be ficus bengalensis. Whatever will be answer, ficus bengalensis. Clear? Okay, next question. Man-made angiosperm is option number 1, barley. Second is the maize. Third is the triticale, and fourth is the potato. Your answer will be the triticale. Triticale is the answer. Question number 5th, smallest angiosperm with the smallest flower is option number 1, Wolffia is the smallest angiosperm and lamina is the smallest flower. Lamina is the smallest angiosperm, but Wolffia is the smallest flower. Lamina is the smallest angiosperm and Joostera is the smallest flower. And none of the above statement. So your answer should be the. Now we can see the. Just wait, I will change the color. So you can see your answer would be the Wolffia. Wolffia is the smallest angiosperm which have the smallest flower. Next question. Which of the following is classified on the basis of number of cotyledon? First is the gymnosperm, second is the embryophytes, third is the angiosperm, and fourth is the tracheophytes. So your answer would be the angiosperm. So your answer would be angiosperm. Angiosperm is the correct answer. Next, question number 7th. The stamen in angiosperm is homologous to which part in gymnosperm and the pteridophytes? First is the microsporangium, second is the microsporophyll, third is the megasporophyll, and fourth is the male gametophyte. So your answer here would be, it is asking stamen, so stamen means microsporophyll. Microsporophyll is the correct answer. Eighth question. Structure absent in the angiosperm is archegonium, pistil, option number 3rd microgametophyte, fourth is the megagametophyte. So your answer will be the archegonium, because archegonium is not found into angiosperm. Question number 9th, you can see monocots are characterized by fibrous root system, parallel venation, trimerous flower, two lateral cotyledons, and parallel vascular bundle. Option number 2, fibrous root system, parallel venation, trimerous flower, one cotyledons, and atactostele means scattered vascular. Option number 3rd, fibrous root system, parallel venation, pentamerous flower, one cotyledon embryo, and atactostele. Fourth, taproot system, parallel venation, trimerous flower, and cotyledons used. So your answer here would be the fibrous you can say fibrous root system and parallel venation. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. Fibrous root system, parallel venation, trimerous flower, and two lateral cotyledon is there. So how many cotyledon is there? Two lateral cotyledon. And no, first will be not correct. Sorry. First will be not correct. It is asking which is the characters of monopod. So fibrous root system correct, parallel venation correct, trimerous flower is correct, one cotyledons and eight actostyle. Because here given two cotyledons, so how we can say it is monopod? Monopod means single cotyledon. So this is the wrong answer. Your correct answer will be the option number 2. Sir, 10th question. The insectivore plants are adapted to soil deficient in sugar, soil deficient nitrogen compound, soil deficient in trace elements, and soil is marshy. So your answer would be the soil deficient in nitrogen compound. So this is the 10th. Question number 11th we can see first known flowering plants appeared in which period? First is the Jurassic period, second option Silurian, third is the Cretaceous, fourth is the Carboniferous. So your answer goes to the Jurassic period. So first flowering plants when arise, it have arisen into the Jurassic period. Question number 12. Origin of angiosperm took place during in which era? Option number 1 Mesozoic era, second is the Cenozoic era, third is the Archaeozoic era, and fourth is the Paleozoic era. So your answer goes to the first one, that is Mesozoic era. So Mesozoic era is the considered as a origin of angiosperm. 13. A sporophytic angiosperm that absorbs humus through fungi, that is you can say mycotrophic plant is named as Neosea, Monotrapa, Corallo, all of this. So your answer goes to the Neosea. Actually, Neosea is the saprophyte. So Neosea is the saprophyte angiosperm. Question number 14. I think this is the last slide for you. And I said just now we have started, so we are learning slowly. I will improve. Question number 14. The megasporophyll of vascular plants is analogous to which structure of angiospermic plant? Analogous means origin is the different but function is the same. So analogous asking first of stamen, second is the carpel or ovary, third is the ovule, and fourth is the leaf. So your answer goes to the carpel or ovary. 15th question. A rootless aquatic insectivorous plants which traps water insects by leaf bladders, also called bladderwort. First is the Drosera, second is the Atricularia, third option Nepenthes, fourth is the Diania. So your answer goes to the second, that is Atricularia, which is also known as the bladderwort. What you will say? It is also known as the bladderwort. Last question. Biggest flower belongs to angiospermic plant, which is partial stem parasite, partial root parasite, total root parasite, and total stem parasite. So your answer is going for the total root parasite, because we know the largest flower is the Rafflesia. Largest flower is the Rafflesia. So Rafflesia is the total root parasite. What you will say? Total root parasite. So these are the 16 most important MCQs which we have discussed, and next class, because I said so today I have started. Next class we will talk remaining things. So next class we will talk remaining things means this have the different parts. So part second we will discuss by tomorrow. Okay. So this is the overall story about MCQs in angiosperm. So thank you.